i-Judicial Inspectorate of Correctional Services okanye i-JICS ngelamakhumsha ithi yafumanisa ubungqina obubonakalisa ukuba uBester zange achele kulantilongo yaseMangaung.
IG then writes to Minister on the 26th of October, informing him of this, what we would call alleged death of Bester, and requesting the interventions of the untoward behavior of some of these officials.
Lamola uthi zange afumane imbalelwano esuka kwi-JICS ngalomba kodwa uyavuma kuba waxelelwa.
Justice Cameron informed me that it appears to him this exceeds probability or credence, but it's an investigation that is underway from themselves as JICS.
Amanye amalungu asePhalamende athi bekumele uluntu ngokubanzi nalo laziswa ngalomba ingakumbi amaxhoba kaBester.
Don't you think that the public interest in this instant trumps the investigation of the police that was going absolutely nowhere until January?
I don't know why that question comes, because it has been considered that indeed, in relooking at things, at least the victims would have been taken on board.
Kusenjalo isebe lemicimbi yoluleko lithi liza kuphonononga umphathi wethutyana wakulantilongo yaseMangaung emva kwenyanga ezintandathu. Bulelani Philip, SABC News, disePhalamende.